Imagine a tiny creature who has been around since the time of the dinosaurs and can be found in nearly every part of the world. Let's follow Carlos the cockroach on an adventure to discover why cockroaches are considered one of nature's ultimate survivors. Cockroaches belong to the order Blattodea, which includes about 4,600 species, but only about 30 species are commonly found in human habitats. They have 6 legs, 2 antennae, and some have wings, though not all can fly. Most cockroaches have a flat, oval body and a small head that is covered by a broad, shield-like pronotum. A cockroach's life begins from an egg case called an ootheca, which the female deposits in a safe, hidden location. Each ootheca contains many eggs. After hatching, cockroaches emerge as nymphs, smaller, wingless versions of adults. They molt several times, shedding their exoskeletons as they grow until they reach adulthood. Cockroaches prefer warm, moist environments and are often found in kitchens, bathrooms, and basements of homes. These nocturnal creatures are experts at staying hidden and will run away swiftly when exposed to light. Cockroaches are exceptional survivors. They can sprint up to 3 miles per hour and squeeze through cracks as thin as a dime. Their ability to survive on limited resources and avoid predators is unparalleled. Despite their fascinating nature, cockroaches are known to spread germs and can trigger allergies and asthma, making them unwelcome guests in our homes. They are attracted to food residues, especially sweets, fats, and meats, and they can contaminate food and cooking surfaces. Some cockroaches can live for up to a week without their head, thanks to their open circulatory system and the fact that they breathe through spiracles, small holes in each of their body segments. Carlos the cockroach has shown us why cockroaches are incredible survivors despite being pesky. They teach us about resilience and the importance of keeping our environment clean to stay healthy. So, if you spot a cockroach next time, let it remind you that it might be time to tidy up your home